Which synonym belongs to sojourn? The correct answer is stay over. Which synonym belongs to ramify? The correct answer is branch. Which synonym belongs to lush? The correct answer is sappy. Which synonym belongs to flag? The correct answer is dart. Which synonym belongs to distaff? The correct answer is female. Which synonym belongs to engaged? The correct answer is busy. Which synonym belongs to coalesce? The correct answer is join. Which synonym belongs to magistrate? The correct answer is master's degree. Which synonym belongs to laudable? The correct answer is commendable. Which synonym belongs to propellant? The correct answer is prop. Which synonym belongs to disport? The correct answer is cheer. Which synonym belongs to stock? The correct answer is rudder stock. Which synonym belongs to vituperate? The correct answer is berate. Which synonym belongs to overblown? The correct answer is inflated. Which synonym belongs to concise? The correct answer is succinct. Which synonym belongs to seep? The correct answer is leak. Which synonym belongs to blunt? The correct answer is brusque. Which synonym belongs to silt? The correct answer is slitch. Which synonym belongs to tainted? The correct answer is impure. Which synonym belongs to galvanize? The correct answer is startle.